Ready to ditch the dull and embrace a cut that streams confidence? These 10 modern shag haircuts are the ultimate secret weapon for instant volume, incredible texture, and an effortlessly cool vibe. 1. Classic 70s rock shag. This is the quintessential shag, revived. It features choppy, feathered layers concentrated around the crown and face, providing a gravity-defying lift and a deliberately messy aesthetic. This timeless cut is perfect for those seeking maximum volume and a bold, rebellious edge. It works best on medium to thick hair, as the heavy layering helps to manage bulk while adding dynamic movement. The style requires minimal daily fuss, making it ideal for the low-maintenance fashionista. The strong, short layers at the top create the signature height and shape. This version is universally flattering, particularly on heart and oval face shapes, enhancing cheekbones and drawing attention to the eyes. Embrace its natural, air-dried texture for the full rock and roll effect. For a softer take, ask for slightly longer layers and a diffused perimeter. This variation maintains the volume and texture but feels less aggressive, easing the transition for those new to the shag. It's excellent for bringing life back to fine, flat hair. 2. The French Shag Le Shag Français, a chic and slightly undone version. The French shag is shorter, often hitting just above the collarbone. It emphasizes softness and movement, with a signature fringe that blends seamlessly into the face framing layers. This sophisticated cut is a go-to for effortless elegance and is particularly suited for fine to medium hair that needs a subtle boost of body. The shorter length ensures the layers maintain their buoyancy without weighing down the hair. It exudes Parisian cool. The key is a strong, full fringe paired with strategically placed layers that enhance the hair's natural texture. It's perfect for round or square face shapes, as the face framing pieces help to elongate the face and soften the jawline. Minimal styling is needed, just a touch of texturizing spray. 3. Wavy Modern Shag. Designed specifically to enhance natural waves and curls, this shag uses long, internal layers to reduce bulk while maintaining length and providing definition. It's a celebration of natural texture. This style is the secret weapon for managing thick, wavy hair, as the interior layering prevents the cut from looking triangular. It allows waves to coil and separate beautifully, delivering maximum movement and shape without the frizz. The placement of the layers is crucial, starting slightly lower than the traditional shag to preserve overall length. It is incredibly versatile, allowing for a variety of air-dried styles, and is highly recommended for anyone looking to define their existing natural texture. 4. The Micro-Shag Short Shag, a daring, playful, and incredibly chic option that takes the shag's signature layers to a shorter length, often cropped above the ear or at the jawline. It's a bold statement in texture and structure. This ultra-short cut is fantastic for creating intense volume on even the finest hair because the weight of the hair is significantly reduced. It highlights the neck and jawline and is a powerhouse of effortless style, requiring only a quick tousle in the morning. 5. Long shag with invisible layers. The most subtle interpretation, this cut keeps the length, but incorporates long, invisible layers throughout the mid-lengths and ends. This adds significant movement and prevents long hair from appearing heavy or flat, ideal for those who love their length but crave dimension and easy styling. The invisible layering technique ensures volume is added without sacrificing density, making it a perfect choice for thick or coarse hair that needs weight removal. The light feathering around the face softly highlights features without the commitment of a full fringe. This cut allows for both straight and waved styling while always maintaining body and a flattering shape. It's universally appealing and low risk. 6. Curly Shag. This version is specifically tailored to enhance natural coils and curls, utilizing strategic layering to create a rounded, flattering shape while promoting definition and preventing the pyramid look often associated with curly hair. The curly shag is the ultimate solution for controlling frizz and defining natural texture, as the layers work with the curl pattern, not against it. It is particularly effective for medium to tight curls, allowing for maximum bounce and movement. Ask for layers cut while the hair is dry. By removing weight strategically, this cut ensures the curls remain light and springy, preventing this style from becoming heavy at the bottom. It also makes wash and go styling easier and more consistent. It's perfect for embracing a natural, effortless look. 7. Blended shag with curtain bangs. This modern hybrid combines the soft, face-framing effect of popular curtain bangs with the textured, layered body of the shag. The result is a versatile cut that is elegant and subtly dynamic. This style is universally flattering and highly recommended for adding a soft frame around the face, especially complementing angular or square face shapes by softening the lines. The curtain bangs blend seamlessly into the top layers, providing instant lift at the crown. The layering in this style is less aggressive than the classic shag, focusing more on blending and natural movement. It's an ideal entry point for those who want the texture of a shag without the dramatic, choppy layers. Excellent for fine hair. 8. Pixie Shag Shaggy Pixie, a fierce, short cut that incorporates the shag's iconic Pixie layers into a cropped silhouette. It delivers maximum texture and an edgy vibe, offering incredible height and shape. This dramatic cut is ideal for anyone seeking low-maintenance hair that still makes a bold statement. The short, choppy layers create a cool girl texture that is easy to style with just a little pomade or wax. It beautifully highlights the neck and jawline. 9. Flipped out shag. Taking inspiration from the 60s and 90s, this modern shag is styled specifically to feature ends that flick out or flip up, creating a playful, dynamic, and voluminous silhouette that's full of energy. The flipped-out shag is the best way to inject movement and personality into mid-length hair that tends to fall flat. The layers are cut to encourage the ends to flick outwards, creating a youthful and bouncy effect that is incredibly flattering. This style works particularly well with a soft middle or side part. The slight lift at the ends adds width, making it a great choice for women with narrow or long face shapes who want to balance their features. It requires a bit more blow-drying effort to achieve the flip. 10. Wolf Cut Shag Maximum Layers. The ultimate evolution of the shag, the wolf cut features extremely aggressive, disconnected layers, often with a bold, heavy fringe, resulting in an almost mullet-like volume at the crown and longer, wispy pieces at the bottom. This high-impact, statement-making cut is not for the faint of heart. It provides the most extreme volume and texture possible in a modern cut. It's perfect for those with thick hair who want a dramatic, rock-inspired style that requires minimal brushwork. The key to the wolf cut is the heavy layering that starts very high, creating a dramatically uneven and deliberately messy look. It's an ideal style for adding character and edge to straight or wavy hair. It grows out well, making maintenance simple. The final element is a highly texturized finish. This style thrives on volume and a slightly undone aesthetic, making it an excellent choice for a person with a naturally rebellious or artistic sense of style. No need for precision. The messier, the better. Don't forget to share your favorite style number in the comments. Tell us your favorite number below.